Okay, so I came to do this simple door handle, broken handle. On this one, the ring, this is the new one, the ring wouldn't come off, so I put my pliers on there and twisted it out of the screw holes a little bit. Not quite, but I'll say this side was okay, but they used the wrong size screws on the job, and not the wrong size screws, the wrong screw driver. Now I noticed these little goodies. There's two of them. So what it is you put it through the lock. Instead of this is just that cheap, nasty board. You see there, that brown stuff. So it's not very good gripping to begin with, and this will strengthen that right up. So I've just had to get a couple of drill bits. So I do some, so that I can make the hole a little bit bigger where those two go through. Yeah, see, I need something so that this piece right here, well, that's an English pound, so that the fat end will go through that piece right there where my finger is. So a drill bit like that. It can be a little bit bigger. It'll be fine if it's a little bit bigger. Small is not good. So once I put those two in there, it should be a really good, strong handle. And as long as the handle doesn't break, like the other one snapped off on here. That's what we're gonna do. So, and then I'll use whatever screws I have left too to fill in any holes and stuff. But those two screws will be the main holding points.